Good morning, boys and girls, and all the in-betweeners. I haven't really got anything to talk about today, just a general mumble. I'm off down to my dealer to get some more drugs. Sounds better than doctor with a prescription, doesn't it? Just sounds so much better. I've noticed that my old beast uses a lot less oil for the same mileage in the winter than it does in the summer. Air to the obvious expansion, contraction and whatever, and she uses, because she's running cooler, she uses a lot less oil. Fascinating observation, one I've never made before, but there you go. If your bike, like mine, lives outside, and I'm sure a lot of them do, and you ride all winter, so not a polisher and not a nice big luxurious garage, but if she lives outside, how much less cleaning and maintenance do you do? I mean, I do a pre-winter thorough going over, change all the fluids, check everything, and then trust that she gets me through the winter with just the obvious daily checks: oil, tyres, front rear, pressures, treads, quick shake of the steering head, check of the brakes, that sort of thing, knowing that in the spring I'll have everything to bits again and do it. So we rely on our bikes getting us through the winter, wow, that wind, with a sort of minimum. Am I the only one that does that? Are you all conscientious and rush out there every week and do something on it? I can't this time of the year because my arthritis gets so bad. I struggle to sort of get down and bend down and lay down, all that sort of shite. Weather is an odd thing. I've been looking at you Americans and Canadians and thinking, nah, I empathise. I don't think I'd like those conditions that you're living in, chaps. And yeah, those who don't partake in the polar bear challenge, I can sort of understand that as well. Some of your temperatures are phenomenal. And yesterday we were just touching 5 degrees centigrade and it was bloody cold, and it felt cold. The irony is today it's gone up to a balmy 6.3 and it feels mild. So it's minor changes really affect us. It doesn't matter how cold or how warm it is. It's when the weather changes by going up or down as little as a degree, we notice it. So our bodies are fantastic things. They really do acclimatise to anything, don't they? It's a really blustery wind today, coming from all directions. The metropolis of Tollsbury. Lovely little village. I like it. Peaceful. Go on, dear, you get through there. And here's my dealers. I don't know if they're open. If they're not, I'll just stick it through the door. It doesn't worry me much. Oh, bless. Bum, bum, bum. Well, my little drug supply. My next job is petrol. So, short video, but I shall say bye until my next little rant or tirade or whatever turns me on the day. Bye bye.